cute. Mommy, watch out. Papa's very ticklish.
Is he laughing, Ryan?
No.
No.
He doesn't laugh.
He just gets all squirmy when you tickle him, right?
He's just yeah.
Gentle. Hey, everybody, gentle. Let's not scare him.
What do you think of your new cousin, Ethan?
Cool.
Yeah.
Our new cousin's awesome. So cute.
Ryan, what do you think of your new cousin?
So cute.
He's full of cuteness.
His shirt says it all.
That's right.
And a monster's mouth?
The monster's mouth.
That's called irony, because it's an ugly monster. And Aunt Shani, what do you think of your new nephew?
Nah. We love him.
Blah, blah, blah. You said be gentle.